Welcome to Part 2 of our detailed reading of the Digital Personal Data Protection Act, 2023. Please check the Part 1 to get an overview of the various chapters in the DPDP Act. In this video, we'll be reviewing Chapter 1 of the Act, covering its key sections and compliance structure. As discussed in the Part 1 video, the DPDP Act, 2023 is organized into 9 comprehensive chapters, and scope of this video is Chapter 1 called as Preliminary by the Act. As briefed in Part 1, this chapter consists of 3 sections. These sections cover 28 definitions, introduce 5 key entities, and define the scope and 2 exemptions of the Act. We will detail each section next. Section 1 establishes the short title and commencement of the Act. Subsection 1 says, it's officially called the Digital Personal Data Protection Act, 2023. As per subsection 2, the central government, by notification in the Official Gazette, will appoint the date or different dates for the different provisions to come into force. Section 2 provides key definitions. Per subsection A, the Appellate Tribunal is the Telecom Dispute Settlement and Appellate Tribunal. Per subsection B, automated means any digital process operating automatically. The board is the Data Protection Board of India, as per subsection circa. Based on subsection D, certain legitimate uses refer to section 7. Per subsection E, the chairperson is the head of the board. Continuing with definitions, per subsection F, a child is an individual under the age of 18 years. A consent manager is a registered person who acts as a single point of contact for the data principal to manage their consent through a platform, according to subsection G. Subsection H says, data is a representation of information, facts, concepts, opinions, or instructions suitable for communication, interpretation, or processing by humans or automated means. Further, subsection I says a data fiduciary determines the purpose and means of processing personal data. According to subsection J, a data principal is the individual the personal data relates to. This includes a child's parents or lawful guardian and a person with disabilities lawful guardian. A data processor processes personal data on behalf of a data fiduciary, as defined in subsection K. Per subsection L, a data protection officer is an individual appointed by a significant data fiduciary. A quote, digital office adopts an online mechanism for conducting proceedings, as given in subsection M. Digital personal data means personal data in digital form, per subsection N. The Act defines gain in subsection O as an increase in property or supply of services, or an opportunity to earn remuneration or a financial advantage. Loss is defined similarly in subsection P, meaning a loss in property or interruption in service supply, or a loss of opportunity to earn remuneration or a financial disadvantage. Per subsection Q, a member is a member of the board, including the chairperson. Notification means a notification published in the Official Gazette, and the terms notify and notified are construed accordingly, as per subsection R. The definition of person, as given in subsection S, is broad, including individuals, Hindu undivided families, companies, firms, associations of persons, the state, and any artificial juristic person not already covered. The term personal data means data about an identifiable individual or has relation to such data, as per subsection T. Per subsection U, a quote, personal data breach is any unauthorized processing or accidental access loss that compromises confidentiality, integrity, or availability. Per subsection V, prescribed means established by rules. Proceeding means any action taken by the board, as per subsection W. Continuing with section 2 relating to definitions, as per subsection X, processing is defined as any automated operation performed on digital personal data, including collection, storage, retrieval, sharing, and destruction. The term she refers to an individual irrespective of gender, per subsection Y. Per subsection Z, a significant data fiduciary is any data fiduciary or class of data fiduciaries notified by the central government. The final definitions are per subsection ZA, specified purpose, which is the purpose mentioned in the notice given to the data principal, and per subsection ZB, state, which is defined under Article 12 of the Constitution. Section 3 covers the details of where the Act is applicable or not. As per subsection A, it applies to processing digital personal data within India, where the data is either in digital form or digitized later. Per subsection B, It also applies to processing outside India, if related to offering goods or services to data principals within the territory of India. Continuing with Section 3, subsection C says, the Act does not apply to personal data processed by an individual for a personal or domestic purpose. It also does not apply to personal data made publicly available by the data principal or any other person under a legal obligation to make such data public. That is the end of this video, which covers the Chapter 1 having Section 1, 2, and 3. We recommend the CalPI Quiz app, available on the Google Play Store, to test your knowledge of cybersecurity and the DPDP Act. The app offers various levels of difficulty and interactive assessments to improve your awareness. Thank you for watching this video relating to the raw reading of the DPDP Act. Hope you are now know more about the first chapter of DPDP Act. This was the 6th video in this series released by DPDPA Mentor.in. Please visit our YouTube channel, DPDPA Mentor, as well as our website, DPDPAmentor.in regularly to check out other informative resources. Wishing you a successful DPDP Act implementation.